Hey beautiful! So welcome to a new vlog, and today we will not be doing a makeup tutorial because wait lang, may construction guys, so please excuse me if maingay sa video. But yun na nga, sinasabi ko, this is not going to be a makeup tutorial. This is going to be a mom vlog. Yes, I was challenged by Johnson's Baby to do a 7-day milk bath and lotion challenge. So me and my baby, we are going to use the new formulation of the Johnson's Baby milk products, and that is perfect for me because so sobrang busy ko sa pagiging mommy, hindi na ako nakapag-lotion actually. So this is a good way for me to, you know, apply lotion, magpaka-moisturize, magpa-fresh. So I have here the Johnson's Milk Bath, Milk and Rice Lotion, and nasa baba na actually yung baby wash. So as you can see, medyo magulo yung background natin, but we are gonna fix that in just a minute. I'm also gonna get my baby's clothes so that pag naligo siya is naka-ready na lahat ng mga gamit. Good morning! Today is day 2 of the challenge, so let's go ahead and take a bath. Ligo ka? Ha? Come on, let's take a bath. Come on. Good morning! Wait. Halatang hindi pa ako nagbabrush ng hair. Oh my gosh, it's so early in the morning. And as you can see, medyo namamaga pa yung mata ko. I just woke up and today is the last day of the challenge. Let's go! So dito ko pinapaliguan si baby. It's a blue bathtub. And that is because galing kay Zach pa yung bathtub, and we didn't want to buy another bathtub just because she's a girl, because we are practical and basically it's still a bathtub. Blue nga lang, but you know, it still works. So we are done with Johnson's 7-day milk bath challenge, and all I can say is that it does really moisturize when you use it both rather than just the milk bath alone or the lotion alone. It's not greasy, it's water-based, so that's why it absorbs the product even quickly. I also like that it's not heavily perfumed, so I'm sure that it will not irritate my baby's skin, because once there is perfume, I know for sure that my baby is gonna be red all over. Ubusin ko lang to, and then I'm gonna buy another one because it's also cheaper. Actually, sa mga ibang supermarkets, bumibili talaga ako ng mga stocks. So when there's buy one, get one, I would really buy. Especially now that I think naka-promo sila sa leading supermarkets like Robinsons, Watsons, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna post the branches or the malls that they are available in the description box below. If ever I missed any info, I will also post it down below in the description box. So I gotta run now because I have another baby that I'm gonna accommodate, and as you can see, umaakit na siya ng stairs. That's a new skill that he learned a month ago, so he can now fully go up and down the stairs without any help. But still, he needs me as guidance, so I'm gonna run, and I also need to take a bath. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and if you like more challenges, more videos, just let me know in the comment section down below, and let me know what are your thoughts about the new Johnson's Baby milk and rice bath and lotion. If you've tried it, let me know what are your thoughts about it. Again, I'm so sorry for the inconvenience na may construction, so I'm so sorry if hindi maganda yung audio. What else do I need to say? I think that's about it. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye.